Amigos, es Señora Davis y es el vocabulario nuevo del primer capítulo del semestre. It's our first unit of vocab for this semester. So please make sure you've printed the vocab sheet that is on Schoology, or if you don't have a printer, you can handwrite your vocab on line paper. And then as I go through the vocabulary, make sure you repeat after me. Say the word out loud so that you're practicing the pronunciation. And don't forget that you can pause as many times as you need to. And by the way, this is my favorite chapter of Spanish 3 and possibly all 3 levels of Spanish that I teach. So we're talking about las leyendas, legends, characters in a legend. We're going to read some legends. It's a really, really cool chapter. So primero we have God and goddess, el Dios y la diosa. Emperor is el emperador. Enemy is el enemigo. Warrior is el guerrero. Army is el ejército. Hero is el héroe. And heroine is la heroína, and that's like a female hero, not heroine. A young person is el joven or la joven. So you can use joven as a descriptive word, or you can use it as a noun. El joven just means the youth, the young person. Princess is la princesa. And beautiful or very handsome is hermoso or hermosa. Witch is la bruja. Dragon is el dragón. Elf is el duende. Fairy is el hada. Wizard or magician is el mago. Monster is el monstruo. And then we have some places. A mountain is la montaña. Palace is el palacio. And volcano is el volcán. Now, this first set of words that we're talking about are the people and places. So we're going to practice them all together throughout these next couple of weeks, but we're going to split the vocab into 2 quizzes. And the first one will be those words that I just went through, and then these 4 words here, describing people and places that are in legends. So the word for legend, again, is la leyenda. The message or lesson in a legend is el mensaje. Narration is la narración. And a character is el personaje. So our next set is talking about elements in a legend or descriptive words. So we have a battle is la batalla, and a war is la guerra. To get married is casarse. To tell a story is contar, and this is a stem-changing verb, O-T-U-E. To carry is llevar. Now, we learned llevar in Spanish 1 as to wear, and it means both words, to carry or to wear. In this case, in this chapter, it's most of the time going to mean to carry. To cry is llorar. To die is morir, and this is also a stem-changing verb, O-T-U-E. To fight is pelear. To return, regresar. To transform, transformar. And then we have some other words and descriptive words. We have an Aztec is Azteca. We're going to read an Aztec legend in this chapter. To be in love with, estar enamorado de. Heroic is heroico. Historic is histórico. Handsome or pretty, we already talked about, is hermoso. Beloved is querido. Jealousy is los celos. To be jealous is tener celos. And brave is valiente. And then a couple more words to describe legends. Once upon a time is había una vez. Many centuries ago, hace muchos siglos. Siglo is the word for century. When you're talking about the word ago, talking about how long ago something happened, you're going to say hace and then a period of time. So hace muchos siglos means many centuries ago. About is sobre, and against is contra. So now that you have El Vocabulario all filled out, you can use this sheet to help you with your assignments for the next couple of weeks. Adios.